Hi, my name is Bella, and I'm doing a science experiment called elephant's toothpaste. I'm also here with my assistant Gia, who is also my little sister. As we're doing it, Gia we will be holding the camera and showing you the slideshow, and she'll also be helping me later in the experiment. First page of slideshow.
Want me to back up some?
Okay. Fantastic Foamy Fountain, aka Elephant's Toothpaste by Bella Colada. Materials you will need: a 1/16 clean ounce plastic bottle, a half a cup of 20 volume hydrogen peroxide liquid, 1 tablespoon or 1 packet of yeast, dry yeast, 3 tablespoons of warm water which has cooled down, so we are going to reheat it. Let's see, liquid dish soap, 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap, which I've already poured into my bottle. Also, you will need food coloring. Doesn't matter, any color. I consider using blue mainly because it shows up a little better, and it makes it look cooler. But today I used yellow and blue. You also need a small cup. A small cup, which is what the water's in right now. Safety goggles. I do have them, but they're broke, so I didn't use them. And a funnel, which
Bella, what's a funnel?
I'll show you.
Oh, that funnel. Yeah.
This is a funnel. Next slide. Step 1, be sure to place a washable tray, which I have right here. Step 2, carefully pour the hydrogen peroxide into the bottle.
Me? Can I?
Yeah. Well, no, because this is kind of closing.
Oh.
Wait, I'm gonna use a funnel.
Bubbles. It's funny.
All right, step 3, add 8 drops of 8 drops of food coloring, which I've already done. Step 4, add about 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap in the bottle and swish it around to mix it a bit, which I've also already done, but I'll mix it again just to be sure. Here's my other assistant, Coco.
Hi.
My littlest sister.
Hey. You are little.
Hey,
I'm 6 years old.
Oh, hush. Steps part 2. Step 5, in a separate small bowl, combine warm water and the yeast to mix it around for about 30 seconds. Let me heat this up real quick.
Beep, beep, beep. Hey, Bella, come look at this. When you back up, it turns pink. How cool. That's.
See.
And it's done. It is done warming up.
Right.
And now
Here we
you put
have, where is it? Here's our yeast, which we are going to pour in. I don't really have a plastic spoon, so I'm just going to use a straw. That works too. Well, pretty much anything works. So let's pour that in here.
Except for soap.
And we need to mix it for about 30 seconds.
5. We're up to 5. How many do we have? Yeah. Flat my thumb.
Okay, so we have mixed the yeast for 30 seconds. Alright, now here comes the fun part.
Hey.
Wait. Alright. Now for this part you need to watch very closely. And we're gonna, you want to make sure that you put it in the middle of the tray. Mainly because of the fact that it gets kind of messy and you want to be able to try and keep it inside the tray. So now that we have our funnel and our mixed yeast, we pour the yeast in and watch the magic happen. Now, if you look closely, you can see that there's heat coming from the foam. Can't really see it well, but that if you the facts of the foam I have produced is special because each tiny foam bubble is filled with oxygen, which is why it is creating so much.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. The yeast acts as a helper to remove the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide to make it a foamy matter. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Since it is very fast, it creates lots and lots of bubbles, which makes it pretty cool. The experiment created a reaction called an exothermic reaction. That means it's only created foam. It has not only created foam, it has created heat. Just shake it off. The foam produced is just water, soap, and oxygen, so you can clean it up easily.
Here.
Yeah. Make sure to have an adult around when doing this project due to the chemicals being used. Also, do not have any objects like candles around because it is not if not careful, may become flammable.
Look!
This is what it looks like before. And then this is what it looked like before. And now that is what it looks like now afterwards. The end. With help from my mom, my dad, my sisters.
I had my 2 front teeth lost. Okay. Done?